y'all, it's Tiana Chanel. If it looks a little bit weird, I'm not recording with my camera, but this is another video. Well, I'm not recording with my real camera, I'm recording with my iPhone. But this video is another Curlsqueen video, and it's not clip-ins, these are bundles. And I'm gonna just do a flip over, quick weave on myself. I had done quick weaves on other people or helped them do it, but I've never done it myself. But look how full one bundle is. I got two. This is the other one, and it's not 100%, like I washed it, so it's not 100% dry, but it is around, like, I would say 85% dry. I just been having an air dry, but look how pretty these bundles are. I believe I got 20 inch or maybe 18 or 20 inch. I'm gonna specify the right one, but look how pretty these are. So first, I'm gonna start off by parting my leave out and braiding up my hair. I don't have to worry about the braids being super small, considering the fact that this is curly hair. And it
look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's some me time.
I finally finished braiding my hair, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty flat, so that's all we need. So I got this cap. Normally come with two. I don't know if it comes with two, but you always use a black cap for quick weaves, because I guess the glue is black. But this is a cap. And you want glue. So you put the protectant on. Normally when you do the protectant, people use a brush. I don't have that though. The only thing I have is this. So maybe I can just do it like that. You just put it all over your head.
Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know.
It's dry. So let me watch a video for reference.
one night time. I never listened, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet running and I keep looking at you.
I have this much left.
Stuck on your phone, it's stuck in your zone. You know that
I'm talking about people.
baby, I just want you.
So I did a little shaping, and then we gotta do the leave out. I'm gonna wash my leave out and be back.
Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. Know we get this money, so I can't.
This is the hair wet. It's not defined, I just wet it, but I didn't put any gel or anything in it. Before I start anything right now, I'm gonna clip this back, but most deaf for my hair.
Focus on be on them private jets, taking trips, come back since wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been. playing with makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'ma tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Sweat change, but I notice the end. You on scene, think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause a house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Do know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
Okay, so I have my hair twisted. I'm gonna scrunch it with a t-shirt to get all the excess water without making it frizzy. That's why I twisted it, but like y'all can see how lightly I twisted it, and I only did the ends. So I basically have to come back when my leave-out dry, which will probably like 12 hours from now. I'll blow dry it a little bit, but I'll be back tomorrow. Be back tomorrow. Okay, y'all, so one roller did come out on this side. As y'all can tell, I didn't take this one out. And it blends really good with my hair already. Now my hair blends really good with the clip-ins right here. So we'll see. I'm gonna stretch these out a little bit.
Just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. Nah. $8 mic. Say fuck them niggas that you getting with. That's just how I feel. Yeah. $8 mic. Just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. Yeah. $8 mic. Turn to $1 million and we all rich. That's just how I feel. We break the code. Tell me, is you with it, you bitch? Yeah, bitch.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but.
So I'm gonna do my edges after I come back from the store. But y'all see how pretty and natural this looks. It literally looks like it's coming out of my scalp. Like what? Y'all see that? So yeah, I'm gonna be back, do my edges, do my makeup, get cute, and then just do the final closing look. But I'm definitely in love. It'll only get bigger. I don't want to keep on trying to make it big because every day is gonna get bigger. So I think this is still pretty like defined for day one and big, but not too big. So yeah.